Okay, everyone stay calm. AI is making art now. I know, right? We can't even get robots to fold laundry and now they're coming for our paintbrushes. But before you panic and hide your art supplies, let me tell you, it's actually pretty cool. AI art is everywhere, from those trippy images on your Instagram feed to actual paintings being sold at auctions. Who knew algorithms could be so artsy?
It's like having a super-powered art assistant. Imagine typing in a cat riding a unicorn through a rainbow and bam! You have a masterpiece. Although, let's be real, some human artists might charge you extra for that unicorn. So buckle up, art lovers, because the art world just got a whole lot more interesting.
So how does AI actually make art? It's not like it has feelings and picks up a paintbrush, though that would be amazing and slightly terrifying. AI art is all about algorithms and data. Think of it like this. Imagine feeding a computer program millions of images of cats. The AI analyzes these images, learning everything about what makes a cat a cat. The pointy ears, the fluffy tail, the way it judges you from across the room.
Now, let's say you want the AI to create its own cat image. It takes all that learned information and generates a brand new picture of a cat, maybe even one with extra fluffy fur or mesmerizing emerald eyes. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more ones and zeros.
AI art isn't just some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's already making a splash in the art world. Take the portrait of Edmund Bellamy, for example. This AI-generated portrait, created by the art collective Obvious, sold for a whopping $432,500 at Sotheby's auction house. That's more than some apartments in New York City.
And it's not just one-hit wonders. AI artists like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney are creating mind-blowing images, from photorealistic landscapes to surreal dreamscapes. It's like having a whole gallery of art at your fingertips, and the only limit is your imagination.